Good morning, students. Welcome back to English class. Listen to this conversation. Supreet, are you ready to join your new job?
Yes, Mom. I'm really excited. Here's a list of things I wanted to pack.
Oh. My goodness, this is a very long list. Can I help you in packing?
Of course, Mom.
A comb, a toothbrush, an alarm clock, an umbrella, a soap box. But why did he use a before some words and an before some words? Children, do you know the reason? Okay, I will tell you. In today's class, we are going to learn about the usage of a, an and the articles. By the end of today's class, you will be able to state and define the indefinite and indefinite article. You will be able to identify the articles before the nouns they are used. You will be able to differentiate a, an and the in the usage of sentences and write them correctly. So, what is an article? An article is a word which tells whether the noun is general or specific. Now, based on it, the articles are divided into two types or two kinds. The indefinite article and the definite article. Indefinite article. A and an are the indefinite articles. Why they are called the indefinite articles? Because they are used generally before nouns which are talked about generally. And they are also used before singular countable nouns. And also they are used when we talk about a thing for the first time. Example, a cat walked into the room. Shreya ate an apple for lunch. Now the person who saw the cat for the first time, he will be using a cat. And Shreya ate an apple for lunch. So here, apple is singular countable noun. So I am using an. And we'll discuss later why we are going to use an before apple. Yes. So what's an indefinite article? A and an are the indefinite articles and it is used before singular countable noun. Yes. Now let's check with the definite article. The. So the definite article is used before a particular or a specific noun which we are talking about. And it is also used before singular, plural, countable, uncountable nouns also. And we also use before when we talk about a particular person, place or thing. Now for example, the boy helped a blind man cross the road. So here we are talking about a particular boy. That's why we are using the. A blind man, maybe we are talking about him for the first time. So we are using a. Yes children, I hope you understood the two types, the indefinite article and the definite article. A and an, the indefinite article, and the definite article. So let us learn about a and an in detail. So students, we learned what is the definition of an indefinite article. The indefinite articles a and an are used before singular countable and general nouns. Yes. Now let's check what are the uses of a and an in the sentences. So suppose, let us take the uses of an first. Let us consider the use of an. Now, an is used before words beginning with words which have a vowel sound a, e, I, o, u. Now, example, an ant, an ugly duckling, an inkpot, an Englishman. See, did you check? They are having the vowel sound a, u, I, E. Yes, all these are having vowel sound. And children, you all make a mistake. What is that mistake you do is, when you check the word, when it is starting with A, E, I, O, U, you just simply write off an "an." Please don't do that. You need to check for the vowel sound. Again, I repeat, you need to check when you are placing an "an," you need to check the vowel sound. So the next one, "an" is also used before words beginning with a silent H in those words. What are those words? Words like an hour, an honest girl, an honorable man. So you don't pronounce it as hour. The H is silent. In honest, H is silent. Don't say honest. And even same thing with the, it's not honorable, it is honorable. That's why we are using "an" as there is a O vowel sound. Yes, children, you understood the second use of "an." Now let's check with the third use of "an." We use "an" before abbreviations beginning with a vowel sound. Now, example, an MP, an MLA, an NGO, an MBA. So here you might get it out, ma'am. These are all consonants, no? Why are you saying to use "an"? No. This M, it sounds MP. Same with MLA, EM, MA. NGO. NGO means non-government organization. So LGO. MBA. So you need to check the E sound over here. So E is a vowel. The vowel sound you check, and that's why you place "an" before abbreviations with have a vowel sound in them. Yes, children, I hope you understood the use of "an." What did we learn? The first one, we learned that it is used before words with a vowel sound. The second use we learned is it is used before words with H having silent words. And next we learned about words with abbreviation having a vowel sound in them. Yes. Now let's check the uses of A, indefinite article A. So let us learn about the uses of indefinite article A. Now, A is used before words beginning with a consonant sound. When is "an" used? Words beginning with a vowel sound. And A is used before words beginning with a consonant sound. Example, a beautiful garden, a good friend. So here B and G both are consonants. So we are using A before them. Yes, children, let us check how far you understood the usage of A and "an" in a phrase or a sentence. So now here is a phrase, dash unique watch. So which kind of article you are going to place before it? A or an? You observe a U and immediately you people write off "an." Yes? No. It is wrong. It is having a YU sound. Yeah. YU sound. That's why you use A before a word unique. A unique watch. Now, dash 1 rupee note. What are you going to place? A or an? A. Why? Because it is having a wa sound. One. Wa sound. So you're going to use A before the word or phrase 1 rupee note. University. What will you use? Same as I told you, the ya sound U, YU consonant sound. So you use an A. Useful book. Same. Similarly, it's also having a YU. Yasam. So you use A. Yes. Please keep this in mind and then you fill in the blank with A, not, and check with the consonant sound. Yes, children. Now I like to tell you one note about the usage of A and an. A and an are used before a class of things. Like for example, here a dog is a faithful animal. So here why he is using a dog is, now we are talking about all the dogs in general and saying that they are faithful animals. Then we use a dog. We also say a cow gives us milk. It means that all the cows give us milk. So here we are not talking about a single cow. And even a and an are used before professions. An engineer, an architect, a teacher, a doctor. So when we are talking about professions also, we use a and an. Yes, children, hope you could understand the explanation of the indefinite article a and an and the definite article the. And today we discussed in detail the use of indefinite articles a and an. And in the later class, I will be discussing about the definite article uses and the exceptions. I'll be posting the homework. That's all for today's class. Thank you.